I can mute this and keep it B-roll.
I didn't realize you could actually get inside these things that easily. Of course, it's not an Apple, so.
It's having the right tools too, because there's so much plastic in these. The hardest part though is prying the battery off from the screen. I had one customer use a putty knife, at least it was a plastic putty knife.
So I'm just glad that they're going to replace this thing. I don't know what the new tablet is, but hopefully it'll be superior to this.
It is. I've had 2 days to play with one. I've ordered 14 of them. I will be posting a special website explaining with video and everything else so you can assess it. They will be offering a $200 discount for the first 2 months, it sounds like. But this has, always take the power off first by taking the battery off. Of course, I smoked my wife's laptop lately because a little metal connector that was on that connector in her laptop shorted out a couple solder joints and made the magic smoke come out. So,
oh wow.
Yeah, I was upset. That was a $1,000 laptop
Wow.
too.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the part that,
This is a little bit of trouble.
this is the be careful. You don't want to puncture the screen nor the thing, but there's double-sided tape
And that's all I'm doing is loosening the tape
breaking
from
the
the
tape
back
up.
of the tablet. It will peel, most of it will peel off with the battery.
So you really need plastic tools though, so as to not lessen the chance of puncturing or breaking.
You want, yeah, you don't want to go really deep at any one spot because you could puncture into the screen also. So if you just do it in small increments and follow the contour of the back of the battery, it will eventually just pop off.
Oh, I've always gone at it from the other side. Okay, so you got the first one. See how that's got a strip there?
Yeah.
And there's actually 2 strips. The good news is the tablet's display is pretty sturdy. Those cables and things are not as sturdy.
No, they're not. I used to take a bunch of them apart, but you figure after a while, depending on how expanded the battery is, it puts a lot of pressure on certain cables, but not on others. So if it's not real bad, like yours isn't real bad, I only had to pull one cable off.
Well, to be honest, we have at least 2 tablets that are for spare parts.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, we've learned through trial and error for sure.
Yeah, this
So
is
this happens a lot. It sounds like this battery.
for the
expanding?
last 2 years. They've been having some of the Chuwis. They say have bad firmware and it overcharges them. So even replacing this, you may have another problem in another 2 years or not.
Oh, no kidding.
Okay, so that's the I chalked it up to bad quality batteries because you can find videos of any laptop out there with the batteries expanding. Even the previous Acers over time can wear out and start. There you go. So this, as you can see,
Yeah.
he definitely has the record for for taking out the battery. So
I've done quite a few of them.
so he's got the new form factor battery. They're a lot harder to get, but I think we ordered 20 last time because we expect to continue. We've often swapped out, refurbished ones where we just, to keep our customers going faster, we send them a new one, they send us their old one, and we swap them out. Sometimes we've come across bad software installs and had to fix them.
And of course, made in China,
Mm-hmm.
everything.
Yeah, the new tablets are the company's out of California, but their manufacturing is probably in
Sure.
China.
Yeah,
for a
I
lot
can
of-
imagine. Yeah,
But,
like everything else.
So the screws are on your paper.
Yeah, but now I'm looking for the button.
Oh, the top buttons. Oh, they're right on your foot, right there. Okay, so this is a good lesson learned. The plastic buttons can fall out.
Huh.
There you go. It's supposed to, but they're in there. Let's see, Adam's painting, working on replacing a handlebar part and doing a battery all at once. Look at this, he's a speed demon. Okay, the trick to getting these little screws in the back though, there's magnets along the bottom of it, so the little screws like to stick to the magnets.
Huh.
He'll test
See
it
if it
before
works.
he puts the screws in, yeah. Or not.
Well, I'm plugging it in. I'm gonna
Just
get it
to
ready.
charge it. Okay. So those. So it's booting up as a Chuwi. The red light means the battery is charging, so that's a good sign. You got the blue and the red. Let's see if I can get the video to see it. There we go.
I'm on green screen.
So the normal boot time to Pro Stitcher when the machine is connected is 90 seconds.
Huh.
It might take a little longer when you don't have the machine because it gives you a USB error because it's not finding the machine out there. But I appreciate you making the drive. The one refurbished tablet we've got, I've got to re-image because we were having an issue with it.
Huh.
Yeah, everything was running great except it wasn't. The touch screen wasn't activated. It's like a driver was uninstalling itself.
If you did a reboot, the screen would go dead. You'd have to hook up an external
Oh, wow.
keyboard to
Huh.
it. So
Huh.
Handi
Weird.
Quilter sent me a new image file. They said, yeah, there's, even though they all say Chuwi, they're every 3 months they put in different parts with different drivers. You know, that's the
Yeah.
nature of these. I really like the new quality of the.
What's the brand of the new one?
TPC.
Well, it's
TPS
called a
12.
TPC 12. I remember that, the Pro Stitcher controller.
Huh.
But okay, this is a white screen, but that's a software issue that
Is
we
this
might.
good or bad?
Well,
Well, that's just Pro Stitcher.
yeah, that's not the battery issue. That's you might want to reboot it and check your version of Pro Stitcher and see what's going on. But
So it came
I
up.
saw it move.
Right, you saw it.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's taking a while to load, so let's see if you're
Well-
connected to the internet.
Hold on. Click. What? He shouldn't be on internet because this one wouldn't have had the
Right. I don't think she's ever been.
new
connected.
version. I don't think she's been on there.
Yeah.
Here, let me do this real quick, and I'm gonna shut down Kill Procer. Yeah, see, you're not even getting. Oh, there we go.
It's lagging real
close
bad.
window.
There we go.
Okay, so
Let me put the
Yeah. I mean,
screws
it's really
in.
not a bad drive. It's a 2-hour drive, and I figured I could get grouper for
Where do
lunch.
you go? Tarpon? Tarpon Turtle?
Tarpon Turtle's the best
Is
place
that the
if
place
you
to
want
go?
seafood.
Yeah.
It's just around. Well,
I mean, Frenchies.
Because we were thinking rusty. What is it?
Oh, Rusty Bellies?
Bellies.
Yeah, they're right around the corner too.
where
But yeah,
are
we've
they?
been
I
to all
know-
those.
Alt
Rusty
19?
Bellies. Yeah, we've been.
Alt 19. Okay.
Yeah,
there's
basically-
a sponge dock up there in Tarpon, but we always take our customers to Tarpon Turtle. It's
Right.
on the.
We went there for dinner when we came for the thing last November or whenever it was.
Okay. Try to just try and restart Pro Stitcher. Here, let's do the
I
little
think we
trick.
ate at Frenchie's too when we were here.
Close this just to. Okay, now double click on Pro Stitcher and see if it starts up.
Boom, right
Oh,
away.
that one clicked right through. Okay. Yeah, I want to see what version you're at. Wow, you did it in under 10 minutes, even with this glitch. I am flipping putting you in for the Guinness Book of World Records.
Dude, there's no way. Anybody on an island would beat me faster. Tokyo, Philippines.
Yeah, get rid of that. Run, come on. 537. You are good. You are on our
So is that
preferred.
the, yeah. Huh.
Yeah, I don't
Good.
think we've got any issue.
Shut it down then.
I would just shut her down.
Let me see where we're at with battery. Oh, you've got plenty of battery.